This is Glarses, and he's been messed about by 3 driving instructors.
3.
And you told me that you hate driving.
Very much
which
so.
pains me so much because
Yeah.
I love driving.
I
So
get it.
I want to help you. Tell me about what happened to your first instructor.
Okay, so a little over a year ago, I started learning how to drive a manual car. I've been watching driving videos, content, Top Gear. I love, or loved, the idea of cars.
Yeah.
Right? I thought it was so cool. I love the top trumps, all the speed, and it's got this engine and whatever. But I'd never been in a car, I'd never driven. And I had interest in it, but because of work and life and blah, 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 and living in London, I never really felt the need. But now I do, not because I actually needed to drive around. No, I'd like to make a car that goes as fast as I type.
Okay.
And whilst I could get other people to drive it for me, I'd want to do that. And so that means I need a license. So did my theory, easy enough, came to do practical lessons, and it turned out it was much harder than I thought. I felt like not only did I have wooden feet trying to do all the shifting and everything, but it just distracted me so much from the road. And my instructor was not, bless him, was not the most constructive person.
Okay, you're being kind and generous there because now we're filming, but you were
Right.
much harsher 5 minutes ago.
So he's actually a piece of no. So he, it just felt like he had this ongoing narrative of, this is so easy, why can't you drive? And I'm just like, sir, that's your job. This is the first couple of hours I've been in a car.
Yeah, that's wild.
And the only thought I have from you saying that is, don't kill anybody. And so instead of driving, I'm thinking, don't kill anybody. And that went on for 16 hours.
You did 16 hours with this guy
I did 16
who just kept
hours.
knocking you.
Yeah.
And this is the thing, like,
yeah.
people don't know,
Yeah.
unless you've got a reference to, oh yeah, this guy's really good, and the guy I'm with right now is really bad. You just keep going because this feels normal. You don't have a reference of what, like,
It
how
was
good they are.
only speaking to my brother who can drive and telling my experience. He was like, you need to stop paying this guy money. And I said, okay.
Yeah.
So, but at that point, I'd already been scared. I was like, I just didn't. I felt very much, I was like, okay, driving isn't for me. Hey, Uber's not that bad, it's all right, it's all right. And I realized I still want to make this. I still want a car, and I still want to be able to make this
video
typing thing.
Because
So
you do YouTube videos.
I do. I make keyboard videos. Why you know how it is. I had a lot of fun. A selection, shall we say, of
We get to
keyboards.
pick our own switches.
But yeah, no, I make keyboard videos. And I'd really like to make this video. It's been sitting in my head rent-free, and I'm just like, I want to do this. It's so... Imagine a car where not only is the steering wheel a keyboard, but it only goes forward by as fast as you can type.
And you have to type accurately?
We're deciding.
I can see some accidents happening with this idea.
Right.
Because, like, I'm
It's still gonna work. There's a lot of missing pieces, but like,
Okay.
it's a theory, a prototype. But I
Can
can't
we
make the
promise to
prototype.
trial it on a private road first?
Yeah, sure.
So then you had a couple more instructors, automatic, and this is a wild story. But, like,
so-
we're not done yet.
Yeah,
This
so-
guy's been messed about so hard.
Okay, so about 9 months go by, I finally feel like I want to do this. This is December. I decide though, after basically mentally negging manual driving in my head, I'm just going to go automatic. Hey, why do we need to shift gears? Right? We don't. Everything is automated.
Because it's more fun.
That's what I'm told. I don't believe you, but Hoover things themselves. Everything is automated. I do nothing, right? And that's, you want me to also shift gears,
Yeah.
like it's 1800s and we're still shifting. Let me just jump on a horse at that point, right? So I said, cool. I convinced myself, you know what? Manual bad, automatic good. And I got automatic driving lessons. I had another 20 something hours.
Which
with,
is normal. Like, you're saying that like that's loads. But people normally take about 45 hours from beginning to pass.
So
That's normal.
my second instructor was lovely. Genuinely, lovely guy, very calm. Maybe didn't progress and like listen to the things I was saying. I was like, I'm not sure about this. And it kind of felt like, oh, we'll do it next lesson. But besides that, I can't fault him. Absolutely lovely guy. Shout out to him. But my test was booked for West Wickham.
Yeah, yeah.
And he didn't really want to go there And then eventually he also kind of said, a month before my exam, my car's not available.
He wouldn't take you to the test area to practice, and then a month before the exam, he
And
bailed.
I just kept taking lessons. But anyways, we you know, you learn. I don't. You learn. He wouldn't. Yes, that wouldn't work. I couldn't test the routes that I needed to do, and it was
This
like,
is
well,
it. You just accept this from a driving instructor
Yeah,
because
'cause-
they're such a professional.
Yeah. He was lovely, but at least he gave me a month's notice
Right.
that okay, I
Not
haven't
really
tested
enough
my
to
route.
change, but
And so yeah, so I was like, okay, this is not gonna work. So I'm scrambling. Do I push my test back? And you know, given how it is, maybe there'll be another test available in like May of 2027, or do I try it now? I decided to try it now. I find another guy with about 4 weeks left for my exam, and I'm taking like
Lucky.
6 hours. I'm doing a lot of driving. We do manage to get down to West Wickham and start doing the routes. I still have issues and whatnot, but I'm like, okay, if I just do more lessons, I'll get there and whatnot. And yeah, my test was April 3rd, Thursday. The Monday, I had...
that's in the past.
That's in the past.
It's now in the
unfortunately.
past, yeah.
I didn't take the test. Surprise, surprise. I didn't even go to the test. So
And lost the test fee. Pain.
Monday comes and I have a lesson with my instructor. 3 hours going around West Wickham. Very hot, one of the hottest days, actually a bit of a headache. Our lesson is at 11 a.m. Our lesson is at 12, sorry, it was delayed. It finishes at 2 something. And my instructor turns around and goes, oh, I forgot to tell you, something came up. You can't use my car for the test. But good luck. And if you fail, I'll give you more lessons. Bye.
Wait, what?
And I was like...
Did he sort you out with anyone else? No, because you didn't take the test.
He gave me other people. But I didn't have any time in between the gap to... I had, you know, work and keyboard stuff to do. And it wasn't as if it was a random guy. It was something I booked through a service where part of the deal was you will have your instructor's car to do the test. And so I just didn't have the time to either find this guy a day before my test, be stressed, do it in the evening, so the only time I had, learn a new car, get all the new reference points, and then have half an hour before my test to take it, or don't take my test. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna push my test back. My test was at 1:35 p.m. on Thursday, and I finished my lesson at 2:05 on Monday. There is a 72-hour window for when you can change your test. It's changed now, but that's what it was.
Yeah, there was.
It's now 10 days, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
I was off by 71 hours and 30 minutes. So I was 30 minutes off when I could have changed it. If he had told me
Before the lesson,
before the lesson started,
you could have changed the date.
I would have had 3 hours and I could have changed it and saved money. So not only did I not get to take my test, I also lost £60.
Damn.
So
That's so because he didn't want you to not cancel the lesson. If you've got no test, what's the point in the lesson?
I thought
That's
of
so
giving
shady.
him the
Don't
benefit of the
expose him
doubt.
because whatever.
No, but I thought of giving him the benefit of the doubt, but I was like, nah, this kind of
He's
sucks.
done that on purpose.
And yeah, so that was almost a month ago. And now I'm kind of just like, maybe I should just learn to drive properly because it feels like...
By properly, you mean manual.
I
So
guess-
it's no wonder that you hate driving and you're not into it and like you haven't loved the whole process.
Nope.
Because your foray into driving has been just fraught with messabouts and people not, I don't want to say scamming you, but
No, I got scammed. You could,
yeah.
I got scammed.
Like, yeah. So I hopefully will be able to instill a bit more confidence in you. Are you going to try and find another test in West Wickham? Can we go for this?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.